I'm going to see elephants from this house. See, someone made a house to guard. You can see the elephants there.
You climb now.
From
Yeah, bro. Father's trying to climb.
See, look my friends, I'm climbing to see the elephants. Come my friends. Oh, so many elephants. Look my dear friends, elephants, group of elephants. Now, how to go up again? Oh,
Can go this side.
can you count how many?
Me. Can count.
Aye. What do they eat? Grass?
Yes.
Aye, up. Look at my friends, they are going up. Posto. Hello friends, I am on top of the house. I am in Bongaon. I have come to see the elephants. These are wild elephants, not the tame elephants.
Around 20 maybe.
Which side? Can they come and destroy this house? The house is made on top of the trees. 2 trees are there and house is made for a person to guard his cultivation. Yes, now they are coming towards us.
They are going the side.
Call them, let them come here. This is one group of elephants. There is another group. We do not know where they are hiding. Beautiful to see wild elephants. My dear friend, you have been living here in your village and you have been seeing this elephant for so many years. How is your experience?
Experience is very nice. But we are not operating by seeing elephants. We feel nice when we are seeing.
He says he is not afraid. They are not afraid of the elephants because day and night they live here, so they know how to run from them. Normally they don't attack the people. They go their way and people go their way. Of course they do get frightened sometimes because they are wild elephants, so we do not know, anytime they may become angry and attack. They are going away. We will also go away. Now how to go down from this house?
Yeah. Let's go.
Look at my friend, he's going down.
We'll go to side. You see?
Yeah. Take my mobile. Look at my friend is coming down.
Yes. Look, my friend, father is coming down now. He feel very afraid of. Ayo. Peacock is crying now. They win or what? Khatra house, no?
Khatra house.
Okay. Come.
We are going to see elephants close by. Hope they'll not chase us. My dear friends, let us go back now because it is dark. And when it is dark, they are coming towards the village. Bye bye. See you next time. Thank you.